Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? We will read about unit number 3, class 7, SST. We will read in this unit about the land features of Pakistan and the climate of different regions of Pakistan and its effects on the people's life. And we will also read about monsoon winds in Pakistan, about cyclones, and how cyclone made. Firstly, we will start our question number 1. What do you know about the climate of Pakistan? Pakistan lies in temperate zone. The climate is generally arid, characterized by hot summers and cold winters. There are variations between extremes of temperatures at different parts of the country. Pakistan is blessed with 4 seasons: a cool dry winter, a hot dry summer, a rainy season, and a spring season. Question number 2. How is the climate of northwestern mountainous areas? This region has extreme winter and temperature falls below the freezing point. The winter season remains for 6 to 8 months. During summer, weather of this region is very pleasant. Question number 3. Explain the monsoon season in Pakistan. During summer, most of the rainfall is caused by monsoon winds. The winds carry moisture from the sea and bring heavy rains from June to September. Summer seasons are welcomed in Pakistan. Farmers depends on the rains to irrigate their land. Electricity is generated by water power provided by the monsoon rains. Explain some effects of climate on the people's life. Climate affects the way people live. Pakistan has extreme winter and summer. During summer, people living in plain areas like to spend time inside the houses. They wear light and cotton clothes. They use cold drinks like lassi, juices, and lemonade. Climate also affects the health of the people. In cities, polluted air has adverse effect on the health of people. Describe how cyclones form. When air starts blowing in circular motion, it is called twister. When this twister covers an area of several kilometers, we call it cyclone. Cyclone forms over warm water bodies. Sometimes temperature rises because of the sharp rays of sunlight and decreases the air pressure. The warm air is replaced by the cooler air. Then the cooler air becomes warm and starts to rise. In result, huge clouds are formed and cause heavy rainfall. Now we solve our fill in the blanks. The average weather conditions experienced in an area for a long period of time are called climate. Pakistan can be divided into dash regions according to climate. 4. The winter season of dash Indus plain is very pleasant, but it does not last long. Upper. During summer, most of the rainfall is caused by dash winds, monsoon. The center of the dash is called eye of the storm, cyclone. These answers are also present in your notes. Climate 4, upper monsoon, cyclone. Now we solve our true false which is present on your notes. First statement is climate keeps changing from day to day and hour to hour. False. The duration of seasons may vary somewhat according to location. True. Most of the mountainous regions of Balochistan are dry. True. Climate does not affect the health of people. False. The center of the cyclone is called eye of the storm. True. Now we solve our MCQs. Average climate conditions remain for dash. True option is 30 to 35 years. This answer also present on notes. Take the correct answer. 30 to 35 years. Next है, which one is not a northwestern mountainous areas? Karachi. The months of the summer season are May, June and July. In Pakistan, temperature during summer season rises to 55 Celsius. Another term for cyclone is hurricane.